Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this MANN CUK 2000 and the 6 behind cabin filter. This is a cabin filter. It's not only a standard cabin filter, it's also a cabin air filter with an activate charcoal. Oh, charcoal. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. Okay. And of course, with that, you're able to make a good, nice interior do. Okay? This man filter is a high quality activated carbon filter. Helps remove pollen, dust, odors, and harmful gases from our car interior. That's perfect for a cleaner and healthier driving experience. And of course, it's compatible with different vehicles out there: Fiat 500, Fiat Panda, Lancia Ypsilon, Abarth 500 with air conditioning. And of course, you can see it is not a big thing to change this. You have to locate it. Where is your filter in your car? If you see where the filter is, you can remove a cover, and under the cover you get the filter, then remove the old filter out of the box, and after you get this out, you can attach the new one. This cabin filter with an activated charcoal is easy to assemble because we only have to push it into position. And then we are nearly done with that. Of course, you have to look where the airflow should be, and you can see there are standard filters on the market without charcoal, but this filter here is with charcoal. And charcoal makes a big, good job as a standard filter. Build quality is really good because it is MANN. These are man filters, and a dirty filter can reduce the airflow and cause bad smells inside our car. Replacing it, we are going to replace it regularly, once a year, or maybe all 2 years is possible. It improves the air quality and keeps our AC system works more efficiently. And this is what a cabin air filter is made. It's not for the engine bay. It's not for the engine flow, for the flow with air. It is for the interior, for you human interior. This is an important thing to maintain this, to often replace it for a better interior smell as well. This is possible, and you have to look. That's the magic wand filter for your car, because the MAN filters brings us a big bunch of possibilities for a lot of cars on the market. And you have to look if you have a Fiat Panda or 500 or an Abarth 500 or Lancia Ypsilon. That can be or will be compatible with that cars. Then you can replace it in, I think, 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. The job's done, eh? So it is so easy. It is easy, but it's good for you, for your health. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Tot ziens!